Hello friends, welcome to Tech HD. So in this video I will show you how you can delete photos permanently from Google Photos. So let's start the video. So first of all we need to go to Google Photos. Here we need to select some photos which we want to delete. Now we have to delete this photo. So you can see it will go to the trash folder. So we have to go to trash folder and we need to select again. Then we need to delete it. So when we deleted these photos from trash folder, you can see there is no photos here, and if we go to Google Photos, you can see there is no photo there. So the photo has been deleted permanently. Now I will show you how you can delete Google Photos permanently from your laptop or desktop. So first of all, you need to log in to your Gmail. So let's log in. Let's give the password. So you can see we have successfully logged in our Gmail. So now from here we need to click here and go to Google Photos. So here you can see there are many photos. So we need to select which photos we want to delete. So let's select some photos and then click here, move to trash. The photos are not deleted permanently. So we need to go to trash folder. What Google does is it saves our deleted photos for 60 days in trash folder. After 60 days, Google delete these photos automatically. But if you want to delete it right now, then you have to select all the photos which you want to delete permanently in trash folder and then click delete permanently and delete it. So now the photos has been deleted permanently. So you can see there is no photos here, and in also there is no photos in trash folder. So thank you for watching this video.